Have you ever got up in the middle of the night, reached for the bathroom light, and realized you just can't see the floor clearly anymore? Or maybe those streetlights outside that used to look soft and calming now show up as blurry halos. If that sounds familiar, you ain't imagining things. That's a real and common problem, age-related decline in night vision. And for most folks, it creeps in so slowly, so quietly, they don't even notice until it starts messing with real life, with driving at night, walking safely, or even seeing a loved one's face in a dim room. I've heard people say, "I can't even read to my grandchild at night anymore." That hurts. That's the pain we're talking about today. Not seeing clearly in the moments that matter. But here's the good news, your body actually works on repairing your eyes while you sleep. Just like muscles recover overnight, your retina, cornea, and optic nerve go through tiny repair jobs while you rest. And here's what makes it exciting, certain foods can give that nighttime eye repair a real boost. Not pills, not pricey treatments, just food. Today we're diving into natural, fermented foods that don't just help your gut, but can also support your eyes from the inside out, especially at night. Stick around, because the last food on this list might surprise you with how powerful it really is. 1. Yogurt. Now, first up, yogurt. Sounds simple, right? But don't underestimate it. Yogurt's packed with probiotics, the good bacteria, and they ain't just helping digestion. They shape your whole immune response, even inside your eyes. When your gut's balanced, it makes compounds that travel through your bloodstream and help nourish your retina, strengthen tiny blood vessels, and reduce inflammation that can quietly damage vision over time. And timing matters. Having some plain, unsweetened yogurt in the evening, about an hour or two before bed, lines up perfectly with your body's natural repair cycle. That's when inflammation drops and blood flow improves, giving your eyes the best shot at overnight recovery. 2. Sauerkraut. Next up, sauerkraut. Crunchy, tangy, and way more powerful than it looks. Fermented cabbage is rich in probiotics and plant compounds that help calm inflammation before it even reaches your eyes. See, when the gut lining gets weak, tiny particles slip into the bloodstream and trigger chronic low-grade inflammation. And your retina, that delicate web of light-sensing cells, really don't need any more stress. Sauerkraut helps seal that gut barrier, boosts natural antioxidants, and even delivers sulforaphane, the same compound in broccoli sprouts, shown to protect retinal cells. And the magic happens most at night, when your body shifts into detox and recovery mode. A forkful of raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut with dinner is enough to start supporting that system. 3. Kefir. Now let's talk about kefir, a smooth, tangy drink kind of like liquid yogurt, but way richer in probiotics. We're talking 30 to 50 different strains of bacteria and yeast, way more variety than yogurt alone. This diversity feeds your gut ecosystem, helping the immune system stay balanced and producing anti-inflammatory compounds your eyes need. Plus, kefir makes special peptides during fermentation, tiny protein fragments that help blood pressure, improve microcirculation, and even support nerve health. That's huge, because night vision depends not just on blood flow, but also on healthy optic nerve function. A small glass of plain kefir after dinner, maybe half a cup, can be a game changer for smoother adjustment to darkness and overall night vision comfort. 4. Miso soup. And finally, miso soup. Warm, simple, soothing. Miso's made from fermented soybeans and packs amino acids, antioxidants, and enzymes your body absorbs super easily. In the evening, a small bowl of miso soup helps relax blood vessels, boost nitric oxide, and improve circulation to the back of the eye. That's exactly where poor blood flow often causes night vision problems as we age. It's not just about nutrition either. The warmth signals your body to slow down, relax, and ease into deep sleep, right when your eyes are busy repairing themselves. Just stir a little miso paste into warm water, don't boil it, and sip it slowly before bed. Now, you don't gotta eat all 4 of these foods every day. That ain't the point. What matters is variety, consistency, and fitting it into your life in a way that feels natural. Maybe yogurt most nights, kefir a couple times a week, sauerkraut when dinner's savory, and miso soup on the evenings you're winding down. Mix it up, keep it flexible, and don't stress if you miss a day. The key is to let these foods become gentle, long-term allies. Small spoonfuls, half a cup, or a warm sip, done regularly, can help lower inflammation, support circulation, and give your eyes the environment they need to repair while you sleep. Losing a little night vision doesn't have to mean the beginning of decline. It can be the start of a smarter routine that supports your body's natural ability to heal. You ain't broken, and it ain't too late. So next time you enjoy that spoonful of yogurt, a sip of kefir, the crunch of sauerkraut, or a calming bowl of miso soup, remember, it's more than food. It's one small step toward keeping your vision clear, your nights safer, and your connection to the world brighter for years to come.